It's the Penguin Ninjas, and today I'm going to show you some cool tricks with the 2x2. So I'm just going to start off with a simple checker pattern. You're just going to grab your cube and then do this. 1, 2, then flip it to your side. 1, 2, flip it again. 1, 2, then go to a side that's not like solved, and then do like this side. 1, 2. And you've got one of the simplest patterns I know. Checkerboard pattern. It's pretty cool. So if your friends like complete non-cubers, just do this. That'll be pretty. Oh yeah, that's cool, you know. So that's good. It's a cool one. So now I'm just gonna show you a few, like, I don't know what to call them, but they make your cube reverse. So the most simple one is doing this. Up. You just do this. Looks messed up. They'll think, oh yeah, it's pretty messed up. That's pretty cool. And then once it's solved, they'll be like, oh, that's magic. It's pretty cool, man. A more complex pattern is like this. That one's pretty cool. I found that one out. It's pretty nice. So another one is another simple one. It's just up, left, just like this over and over again. It's one of the simpler ones. It's a lot. I think it's like the longest one, which can get pretty boring for them. The cool one is this. That one's pretty nice. I like it. They're all pretty fast except for one. Okay, so the video is pretty short. I'm just going to show me doing a solve. So it's pretty messed up right now. I'm just going to use the way that I showed you in my video. Done. So, thanks for watching, guys, and could you guys consider liking, subscribing, commenting, or even telling your friends about our channel? We greatly would appreciate it, and thanks for watching. Bye. See you next time.